everyone, it's Molly. Today we're making onion shortcake, which I've never heard of before. But it's basically a biscuit topped with cooked onions and sour cream egg mixture. It sounds really interesting. I made beef stew for dinner, and that's in this crock pot right here. So we're gonna have this to go with it. And I will post a recipe for you down below in the video's description box so you'll have it. I will leave a link above to the Missouri Mix biscuit mix, which is what I showed you in the Tupperware container. And that's the biscuit dough I'm going to use. So let's melt this butter in this pan, and then we're going to cook the onions until they're soft but not browned. So I'll be right back. Okay, our butter is sizzling, so in go our onions. And again, you just cook them till they're soft and kind of translucent but not brown. And you can use whatever biscuit dough you want to use with this. I just had that Missouri Mix sitting in my fridge, so I decided, might as well use that. And I will include the recipe for the Missouri Mix in the down below in the video's description box, so you don't have to go hunting for that recipe either. But just use whatever biscuit dough you like. Okay, we'll be right back when these are soft. Okay, it's been a few minutes and they're starting to get brown, so I'm going to turn off the heat. It says season with salt and pepper, and it doesn't specify any amounts. So I'm just going to eyeball it. And my oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so make sure you do that. All right. Okay, so this is my Missouri Mix biscuit mix, and I'm just adding, if I'm trying to remember if I added milk or water to this. It looks like water, but I'm not sure. I'm just preparing that, and I doubled the recipe that I'm using for this, for the onion shortcake recipe. And I'm just getting that prepared, and let me speed this up. And I'm just rolling this out to a 1/2 inch thickness in this cookie sheet, and I have some parchment paper below it. I had to switch to a voiceover because my mom and my sister came over earlier than I expected, and my nieces were running around. It was really loud, so I thought this would be better for you guys to hear. And so I'm trying to get this into a rough rectangle shape. I'm just doing my best. Here, anyways, 1/2 inch thickness, and just roll it out as best you can. I really like this little tiny rolling pin I have. It's double-ended. It's really handy. And now I'm just dumping my onions on the top and then spreading them out. And this actually smells really good. And if any of you have ever had anything similar to this, let me know, because I've never heard of this. But my mom was saying she's heard of onion shortcake before. And so I don't know, maybe it's just a generational thing. I've never heard of it, but it's gonna be good, I think. Okay, so now I'm mixing my sour cream, and I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and my egg together, and then you mix those together, and then you just pour it over the onions on top of the biscuit, and then that's it. You bake it after that. So definitely an unusual recipe, I think. I've never heard of anything like this, but I think it'll be good. And obviously I know what it's like, because I'm making this after I've tasted it, and it was really good, but you guys will be able to see what it looks like when it's done cooking. And so, yeah, then you just pour the onion egg mixture over the top, and then that's it. It goes in the oven after this. So let me finish this up, and then you guys can see that. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and the recipe says to bake these for 12 to 15 minutes or until they're done, so just keep an eye on them. And mine took about 15 minutes. And so I'll show you what it looks like. It's definitely different. It smells really good. It smells just like, cooked onions. So it smells really savory and delicious. Okay, this is my twin sister Tess. She's trying the onion shortcake.
Mama, what
is it good?
This?
Here, let me get a knife. Let's share.
Mama, what is this?
It's your dessert.
It's an onion cake. It's not bad. You want to cut a
Is it good?
I would eat it again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're making me make it sound like it's not that great. Addie, what do you think?
It tastes good.
Tastes good? Oh, okay. Thumbs
Here,
up. Mom, what do you think?
Oh, your head.
It's good?
I mean, yeah.
It's not something I was expecting,
Is
but
that-
it's good.
Egg? What is that?
Egg and sour cream.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's all right. It's acceptable.
So yummy.
It's acceptable. Well, this comes from The
Emma.
Sunset's Favorite Company Dinners. This book is from 1933, and it says, oh my God,
Not bad. It's not
for a
bad.
cool June evening. There's the menu, and it is a cool June evening. And this is from somebody submitted this from Seattle, Washington. So that's like about 45 minutes north of
I have
us.
a recipe for an old-fashioned tomato tart. It would be good with that.
Oh, I had been wanting to make tomato pie.
Well, I could get it's in the
Oh my god.
Moosewood cookbook. It's old.
Oh,
It's a really good tomato pie, and that would be good with it actually. So I would make it again.
Emma's gonna try
I think it's unusual.
Emma's trying it.
Oh my goodness.
Well, she
Emma's trying it.
Oh, how does she like it? Emma, do you like it?
We're all looking a little rough.
Is she gonna tip over backwards? She's
Oh, it's
listening.
good. I just got the onion. That's really good.
She's gonna have more.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she likes it.
It's a
Approved.
success.
Baby approved. Baby and 4-year-old approved.
3.5 out of 5.
Addie's eating it. You like it? Heck yeah, it's a winner.
That's good.
She's eating it over Cheetos.
Oh man, she has Cheetos and she's choosing to eat this over Cheetos.
Yeah, you should.
Dan will like it.
We'll get Dan's reaction. All right, I'll see you guys when Dan's home from the gym. Hey Dan,
What's up?
what do you think of the onion shortcake I made?
I thought it was really good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You like it?
yeah, it was good.
Okay. Can you give me a thumbs up? All right. Addie liked it too. I thought it was good. Okay, well, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye everybody.